Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on all things tech. Today, we've got something special for all you gamers and movie enthusiasts out there. The Optoma HD28HDR home theater projector. This little beast right here might just be the best home projector for gaming on the market. Stick around as we dive into all the features that make it a standout choice. Let's kick things off by talking about the incredible picture quality this projector offers. With native 1080p resolution and a jaw-dropping 50,000:1 contrast ratio, you're in for crisp, high-definition visuals that truly pop. But what sets the Optoma HD28HDR apart is its HDR10 technology, which means brighter whites and deeper black levels for an enhanced viewing experience. It's like having a mini home theater right in your living room. Speaking of the living room, this projector pumps out a whopping 3,600 lumens of brightness, making it perfect for lights-on viewing. Plus, with its 6-segment color wheel, you'll experience accurate and vibrant colors. Now, let's talk gaming. The Optoma HD28HDR comes equipped with an enhanced gaming mode that boasts a lightning-fast 8.4 milliseconds response time and a 120 Hz refresh rate. If you're a competitive gamer, this is the projector you've been waiting for. Game display mode is another cool feature that boosts shadows and dark scenes, giving you a competitive edge by enhancing visibility of those tricky in-game obstacles. But what about image depth, you ask? Well, the dynamic black technology in this projector provides just that. It smooths lamp output to create a high contrast image. Bright scenes stay crisp, and dark scenes remain detailed. It's the best of both worlds. Now, let's talk connectivity. You can hook this projector up to media players, gaming consoles, and even 4K UHD HDMI dongles like Amazon Fire TV, Google Chromecast, or Apple TV. The possibilities are endless. And here's a cherry on top. The Optoma HD28HDR offers an impressive lamp life of up to 15,000 hours. That's like 10+ years of viewing time, so you can enjoy your movies and gaming sessions without worrying about frequent replacements. To sum it up, the Optoma HD28HDR home theater projector is a powerhouse. Whether you're a gamer, a movie buff, or both, this projector delivers the goods. Its vibrant HDR visuals, fast gaming performance, and long lamp life make it an excellent choice for your home entertainment setup. If you're interested in taking your gaming and movie nights to the next level, check out the link in the description below to get your hands on the Optoma HD28HDR. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you found this review helpful. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy gaming, and happy watching.